to Manchester, and the time is now local time 7:30 in the evening. We do ask you to please keep your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off, and electronic devices can now be used. Before you leave us, have a good look around you to make sure you take all your personal belongings with you. It's a good idea to check in the seat pocket in front of you, and be careful when you open the lockers as items may have moved. We remind you that smoking is not allowed until you reach a designated smoking area. And EasyJet also offers package holidays to really good prices and thousands of hotels to choose from. City break or a beach holiday? Just search on EasyJetHolidays.com and start planning your next getaway.